Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Developers. Friends, in this video we are going to learn the topic 1.4 The Story of Tea. It's chit chat, margin questions and workshop from 9th standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started our video. 1.4 The Story of the Tea. It's chit chat and warming up. 1 number question. Write the names of as many beverages as you can within 2 minutes. What do the following beverages reminds you of? Draw word web to show your associations. First, tea. And answer is biscuit, black, morning, cup and sugar. Then coffee, mug, dark, hot, cold and milk. Next, lime juice, it is summer, glass, ice, sugar and lemon. Lassi, it is cold, thick, sugar, cream and curd. Now coconut water, beach, tender coconut, cream, straw, fresh. Now milk, turn, morning, cream, babies and cow. Now next, vocabulary. First, aromatic, having a pleasant smell. Fragrance means sugandhi, suasik. Next, brew, drink made by boiling or keeping something in hot water for some time. Ukalele peya. Astringent, sharp, kathor, kadak. Now it's margin question. First margin question is, how is the tea, the beverage, made? Answer is, tea is made by the brewing, that is by infusing the tea leaves in boiling water. Second question, how is tea that is picked and sold to us made? Answer is, the leaves are at first dried, cured and processed before they are packed and sold to us. Question number 3. Where are tea estates located? Answer is, tea estates are located on hill slopes at elevations of up to 1500 meters. Question number 4. Why are tea plants pruned? Answer is, tea plants are pruned and kept at a height of about 3 feet to enable easy plucking of leaves. Question number 5. What are botanical names? How are they decided? Answer is, botanical name is also called as scientific names. They decided by types of plants and its feature. Question number 6. What does tea contains? What does it not contain? Answer, tea contains theanine and caffeine, which gives the drink its stimulating qualities. It does not contain carbohydrates, fat or proteins. Question number 7. Who was Emperor Shennong? Answer is, Emperor Shennong is the father of Chinese agriculture and medicine. 8 number question. Why did he carry out further investigations about tea? Answer is Emperor Shennong carried out for the investigations about tea as she was amazed by its rich flavor and was excited about this unknown plant. Question number 9. How did tea reach other part of the world? Answer is the Turkish traders began bring or bargaining for tea on the borders of Mongolia. From Mongolia, tea traveled all the ways to Japan, England, and Europe. Question number 10. What is the difference between legends or stories and history? Answer is the legends is a semi-true story which has been passed on from person to person and has important meaning or symbolism for the culture in which it originates. A legend usually includes an element of truth or is based on historic facts, but with mythical qualities. Legends usually involve heroic characters or fantastic places and often encompass the spiritual beliefs of the culture in which they originate. Question number 11. Can you guess the origin of Marathi word chaha? Answer. The word cha is used in English to refer to China tea, and the word is very close to Hindi word chai, and it became chaha in Marathi. Now question number 12. The paragraph about how tea came to India brings out the difference between history based on oral sources and a recorded history. Discuss how the author brings it out. Answer is the author talks about the journey of tea to India. It was said that tea was first known in India as a medicinal plant. However, none of it is recorded or a proven fact. The author then bases the journey of tea with the factual information of the British starting tea plantation in the 19th century. Recorded history also points out to failed attempt to grow tea in the 1770s but by the British East India Company. Now question number 13. What is the difference between claim and fact? Answer is the word claim refers to the statement that emphasizes a fact, however not on the basis of any evidence. Fact is a statement which is known to be true or proved to be true. Now question number 14. Do you have any ceremonies associated with food items? Answer. Actually, we don't have any ceremony that directly associated with food items, but on some festivals Indians prepare some special food items. Question number 15. What are the good qualities of tea? Answer is tea is a healthy, enjoyable and stimulating drink full of good qualities. Now question number 16. Why are the cups only half filled in Chinese tea ceremonies? Answer is the Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with the friendship and affections. Now English workshop of this topic. Question number first. List all the name of geographical places mentioned in the passage. Answer. China, Japan, England, Mongolia, Bhutan, Cambodia, India, Korea, Russia, Vietnam, Turk, Darjeeling, Assam, Nilgiris, etc. Now question number 2. Make a smaller word using the letters in the given word. At least 5 words each. First, actually, refreshing, immediately, investigations, meditation, enjoyable, loneliness and friendship. Now answer are given directly. First, actually, and word act, got, at, cat, all, tall. Second word is refreshing, and words are fresh, sing, free, fees, refer. Third word immediately, and words are at, ate, eat, diet, time, die, tame. Fourth word investigations, and words are in, waste, taste, invest, sting, gate. Now fifth word meditation, and words are mid, tame, time, date, admit, die. Sixth word is enjoyable. Words are joy, job, able, noble, bed. Seventh word loneliness, and words are on, one, line, less, loss, line. Eighth word friendship, and words are end, sheep, friend, saint, heap and friend. Now question number 3. From the passage, copy correctly any 3 sentences that begin with how. Answer is first, how and when did people first begin to drink tea? Second, how did this magical beverage get its name? And third, how did tea first come to India? Now question number 4. Find the meanings of the following from the good dictionary. First is infusion. This refers to the process of the introductions of a new element, value or quality into something. Second, restorative, and answer is, our meaning is having the ability to bring back to normal something like the health of someone or just anything. Next word is inscriptions. These are the symbols inscribed on something like a book, statue, wall and so on. Next word is radicals. This is pursuit of the extreme and as an option to political or social problems. Next word is connoissance, means a person who has got expertise in the field of judgment of taste. Question number 5. List the words related to agriculture and chemistry from this passage. First word is agriculture, and related words is tea, seeds, research, soil, leaves, and last one is plant. Now related words of chemistry. First aroma, next tea, next antioxidant, next taste, next flavor, next free radicals. These are the related words. Now question number 6. Complete the following sentences with the help of the passage. Answer are given directly. A. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climate. B. The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. C. In many countries around the world, tea drinks is an important social occasion. D. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. Now question number 7. Prepare a flowchart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantations to our homes. Use information from the lessons. Answer is given directly. First, plantation. Next, leaves are dried. Next, leaves curds. Next, leaves, process. Next, leaves are packed, and last one, sold to us. Now, language study of this topic. Question number 8. From the passage, find all the words or pairs of words that begin with T. Example: teapot, tea plants, tea ceremony, tea estate, tea taste, tea whisking, tea making, tea club, tea shrub, tea minded, tea seeds, and tea growing. Now, compound words. This is the compound words. When two words come together from a new words, the new words is called compound word. म्हणजे बघा, दोन शब्द एकत्र येतात, दोन वेगवेगळे शब्द एकत्र येतात, त्याला कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स असे म्हणतात. व्हॉट वर्ड्स डू यू सी इन द फॉलोइंग कंपाऊंड्स? एव्हरग्रीन, ब्लड प्रेशर अँड एव्हरीडे. याच्यातून आपल्याला कोणते शब्द दिसतात? नोट that some compound words are written as one words, teapot, some with hyphens between them, tea making, and some as two separate words like tea club. एकापेक्षा जास्त म्हणजे दोन शब्द एकत्र येत असतील तर त्याला कंपाऊंड शब्द असं म्हणतात. नाउ 9 number. Sometimes the form of verb in a sentence name the action but does not change according to tense, number or person. Such as form is known as non-finite form or an infinite means infinitive. An infinitive is used with or without to. Examples: how did people first begin to drink tea? An infinitive is to drink. Can you name the beverage? Now underline the infinitive in the following sentences. Answer are given directly. First, it was funny to read words that stood still. An infinitive is to read. Second, to be or not to be, that is the questions, and the infinitive is to be. Now next, can I read the book? An infinitive is read. Last one is they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. An infinitive is help and